Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best window groove cleaner is probably one of the most surprisingly effective tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle those often overlooked, grime-collecting crevices in your windows and sliding doors that regular cleaning methods just can't reach, leaving them looking pristine and new with minimal effort. Number 5. Ford PCS Window Brush with Crevice Brush. Tired of stubborn dirt on your windows and sills? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning tool designed to tackle every corner and gap with ease. This innovative brush set is perfect for cleaning window crevices and door grooves. Its handheld design ensures you can reach even the tightest spots. Say goodbye to dirt buildup in hard-to-reach areas. This tool is specifically engineered to clean all corners and gaps effectively. Achieve a spotless finish on your windows and more. This set provides a creative solution for all your detailed cleaning needs. This convenient 4-piece set is your new go-to for maintaining a pristine home. Experience the difference it makes in your cleaning routine. What we like. This set offers a simple, handheld solution for tackling all those hard-to-reach corners. If you're looking for a straightforward tool to get into every nook and cranny, this is a great choice. It's perfect for quick touch-ups and general gap cleaning. What people say. The brush is designed to fit into narrow grooves and crevices, making it effective for cleaning window sills and sliding door tracks. It effectively removes dirt, dust, and grime from hard-to-reach areas, leaving them clean and tidy. The brush has a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuvering and control during cleaning tasks. Number 4. Magic Window Track Cleaner Tool Set. Introducing our versatile cleaning tool set, designed to tackle dirt and grime in every tight space. It's perfect for keeping your home, kitchen, and office sparkling clean. Crafted with premium materials, this set is built to last. The removable scouring pads are easy to clean and reuse, ensuring you always have what you need for any cleaning task. Its unique design allows you to effortlessly clean dusty window blinds and hidden gaps. Different tools are included to help you conquer any hidden dust. Featuring a convenient hanging hole, this cleaner can be easily stored on the wall. Keep your cleaning tools organized and accessible. This multi-purpose tool is ideal for cleaning window grooves, blinds, air vents, keyboards, and much more. Save time and effort with its efficient cleaning capabilities. We are committed to providing you with the best cleaning solutions. If you have any questions, our customer service team will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This extensive kit provides a wide array of tools for various cleaning tasks, including multiple brush types and replacement pads. If you need a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home, car, or office and appreciate having specialized tools for different jobs, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want versatility and long-term use. What people say. It is very effective for cleaning window tracks and sliding door tracks. The brush is designed to fit perfectly into narrow grooves, making it easy to remove dirt and grime. The handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during cleaning. Number 3. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Tired of stubborn dirt in tight spaces? This tool is designed to make those pesky cleaning chores much easier. Its narrow head easily reaches gaps and corners, tackling dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas. Crafted from durable plastic and alloy, this brush is built for tough messes. The non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the pliable bristles offer effective cleaning power. Perfect for cleaning windowsills, grout lines, sink corners, and even fridge gaskets. Its versatile design makes it ideal for various household surfaces and tight spots. Make your cleaning routine simpler and more effective. This tool provides the leverage and durability needed for intense cleaning tasks, saving your hands and time. Keep your cleaning tools organized and dry with its convenient hanging hole. This compact gadget won't take up much space, making it perfect for any home. Looking for a practical gift? This cleaning brush is an excellent choice for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who appreciates a clean home. What we like. Featuring sturdy hard bristles and a narrow head, this brush is designed for deep cleaning in tight spaces. If you're dealing with stubborn grime or need to scrub grout lines and tight corners effectively, this is your go-to. Its comfortable non-slip grip makes intense cleaning tasks easier on your hands. What people say. The brush is designed to fit perfectly into window grooves, making cleaning efficient. It effectively removes dirt and grime from narrow spaces, which is hard to reach with regular cleaning tools. The tool's durable bristles scrub away stubborn debris without damaging the window surfaces. Number 2. LEOBRO Groove Gap Cleaning Tools. Tired of stubborn dirt in tight spaces? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to tackle those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Perfect for window tracks, door grooves, and even air conditioning shutters. This tool makes cleaning any narrow gaps simple and effective. Its handheld design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to clean thoroughly without strain. Keep your home sparkling clean with minimal effort. Get a convenient pack of 4, ensuring you always have one ready when you need it. Experience the difference in your cleaning routine. Trust in LEOBRO for innovative solutions that simplify your life. These cleaning tools are built to last and deliver exceptional results. What we like. This pack of 4 handheld brushes is particularly effective for cleaning air conditioning vents and shutters, as well as window tracks. If you frequently clean these specific areas and want dedicated tools, this set is a practical option. It's great for maintaining airflow and cleanliness in common household spots. What people say. The brush is designed to fit perfectly into window grooves, making cleaning efficient. It effectively removes dirt and grime from tight spaces, which is a common problem with window tracks. The tool's bristles are firm enough to scrub away debris but gentle enough not to scratch the window surfaces. Number 1. 5-piece Crevice Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing a versatile 5-piece cleaning set designed for all your daily household needs. It includes multiple tools to reach every nook and cranny. This multi-purpose kit is perfect for your kitchen and bathroom. Effortlessly clean window tracks, sink corners, tile lines, and other hard-to-reach spaces. With its 90 degrees right-angle design and stiff bristles, it reaches deep into narrow gaps and corners. Say goodbye to dirt that ordinary brushes leave behind. Each brush head offers dual functionality, with narrow bristles for dust and a scraper for stubborn debris. This integrated design makes cleaning more efficient. Made with durable, wear-resistant bristles, these tools are built to last. Convenient hanging holes make storage simple, keeping your space tidy. What we like. This set stands out with its 90 degrees angled brush head and 2-in-1 functional heads, perfect for deep cleaning in very narrow gaps and removing caked-on debris. If you struggle to reach deep into window tracks, sink corners, or bottle crevices, this is the ideal solution. It combines sweeping and scraping for maximum efficiency. What people say. The brush is effective at cleaning window grooves, reaching into tight spaces. Its compact design makes it easy to store and handle. The bristles are firm enough to scrub away dirt and grime without damaging the window frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.